Hi everyone! There is a thunderstorm coming in Ottawa. Look at that. Ay, grabe siya. Oh, ganyan siya. Nagdidilim na ang kalangitan. Magsusundo pa naman kami sa mga bata mamaya. Hopefully, maghinto naman ito mamaya. Kakatapos lang natin magluto ng pananghalian. We have ate lunch. Paano late din kami nag-breakfast. Ayan, I can hear the thunder. So, thunderstorm is coming. Look at that. Starting to get dark here. Look at that clouds. Oh, can you see that? Lightning. That's lightning. Uh-oh. And how many minutes, Daddy?
The storm is in 10 minutes. For about 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes, it's going to be.
About 10 minutes on the storm.
Oh, it's going to rain. So, oh, you can hear that sound. Thunder, thunder. Look at the clouds. Can you see the lightning? The lightning is striking on that spot.
It's perfect.
Perfect. Oh. And the thunderstorm will last for until 10 minutes lang ang duration niya pag nag-start siya, Dad.
Severe thunderstorm watch. It says severe thunderstorm watch.
So it's here.
Start at 12:04 p.m.
12:04, but it's already 1:30. So nag-start na siya over there. Pero it's starting to rain. Oh, it's raining now. Oh,
Rain.
hey. That's the lightning. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Oh my goodness. Kawawa naman ng mga babies natin. And we were going outside. I think we have to bring the winter boots, the rain boots, Dad. Because they're just only wearing, running shoes. Ito na nga yung sinasabi natin. It's going to be a rainy day today. But I'm not expecting that it's gonna be a severe thunderstorm. Why thunderstorm? So the people is busy. Oh no, that's lightning. Nagkikidlat-kidlat doon sa side nun. Hello to our 4 live viewers. Mega love shout out. So it's starting to get dark in here. Oh, it's raining. It's starting to rain. Oh, our ulam is pusit, squid, adobong pusit. So I just done cooking. Thunder is here. Ay! Natakot ako doon bigla. Okay, I'm going to close it. The wind is starting to maulan na. Maulan. We can't be able to hear the thunder and lightning.